Hello, Math 143. Welcome to week 5 of the course. I'm going to go over what's due this week and then also at the end talk about the Veterans Affairs Lab, which is a new and different lab than what we've done in the past. So let's switch over to the screen so we can talk about what's due this week. All right, so the first thing, just to remind you that the Biggest Loser group lab is due Tuesday, September 18th, 2018 by 11:59 p.m. So if you're watching this on Tuesday, that's tonight by midnight. Also, your first WebAssign assignments are due at 11:59 p.m. tonight on Tuesday if you're watching this on the 18th of September. And that's just sections 1.1, 1.5, Appendix 1, and 8.4. So that due date is set inside WebAssign for you. Once that date is passed, those WebAssign assignments will be closed and you cannot go back and reattempt them. So I hope that you've been keeping up with your WebAssign assignments. Also available to you now is the Biggest Loser group evaluation. This is due Thursday, September 20th, 2018 by 11:59 p.m. And I want to remind you that failure to complete these group evaluations can result in a 20% deduction in your group evaluation grade. So please make sure that you are completing those. I've noticed that several people haven't been completing the group evaluations. So please make sure you're doing that. And then just looking ahead, the Veterans Affairs Lab, the first attempt, quote unquote, which you can think is like your individual attempt, is due Thursday, September 20th, 2018 by 11:59 p.m. Now I'm going to go ahead and start talking about the Veterans Affairs Lab because it is a little different. So inside of Blackboard, you have this new Veterans Affairs Lab folder. So if you click in there, you're going to see first a page of graphs. So this is the most updated graphs from the Center for Veterans Analysis and Statistics. So the VA, the Department of Veterans Affairs, sends this out. And it talks about a lot of statistics relating to veterans. So this is relating to sections 2.2 and 2.3 of your book. And you'll see under course content, so over here in course content, I'll open it and show you, I have also added 2 new folders for you under the Unit 2 lessons that talks about picturing growth, which are the graphs, and then misleading graphs. So here you have the most updated graphs. If you see right here, the Veterans Affairs first attempt, click on that. It's going to take you to this discussion board. It's going to take you to this Word document. If you click on the Word document, you've got a 13-question multiple choice quote-unquote test about those 2 graphs. So you will answer these kind of on your own. And then once you have answered all 13 questions, go back to that right where it's first attempt, and then underneath it is a discussion board. So then you're going to go to the discussion board and you're going to share an answer that you have. So then you'll create a thread. You will type in the subject your name and then the message. For number 1, I got letter A. The reason I chose letter A is because, and then you'll submit. And then the whole class will do this, and then once you have created a thread, you will see everybody else's in there as well. So not until you create your own thread will you be able to see everybody else's. And then on Thursday, once you have everybody has posted at least one question inside of the discussion board, I will open up a Blackboard quiz, and you will put in your answers to the Blackboard quiz, and it will grade it automatically, and you'll see how well you answered those questions. And so that's how this section is going to go. There won't be a group evaluation. There will only be a Veterans Affairs first attempt, which is you posting into the discussion board, and that is due by Thursday. And then finally, there'll be a second attempt, which will be a Blackboard quiz that I will make available Thursday morning. and you will take it and it will be automatically graded. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Again, my email is esmith845@cvcc.edu. I look forward to reading your discussions inside of the discussion board and seeing what you come up with for the Veterans Affairs Lab.